how it looks like. This is how the smoothie looks like, my healthy smoothie. And inside here, guys, we have. So you guys, now we're gonna be making a smoothie. And yeah, guys, my house has been washed. Here we have all of the ingredients we're gonna be using. So. Shade. Ah! So you guys, now I'm going to be putting in some milk. I'm going to be putting in some ice inside and some milk, guys. So you guys, now I'm going to be putting inside my almond milk, and then I'm going to be putting inside my ice. I'm putting inside our ice, guys. Inside here, guys, we have some blueberries, we have some banana, we have some strawberry, and some extra, and then we have some almond milk and some ice inside. So I'm going to be mixing and taste. Let's do it. And I also added a strawberry at the edge. Let's taste it. 3, 2, 1. This is so good, guys. So good, guys. You guys want to give me a taste? Cheers, guys. So good, guys. You guys should really make this. This is a very healthy smoothie, guys. You can make for yourself, for people who comes to your house and all of that stuff, guys. But then make this for your kids when you go to school, and you guys can make this for vacation. And yeah, guys, this is so good, guys. Hope you guys follow this recipe. And yeah, guys, hope you guys have a busy day. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Peace.